Hello, my friend. I am glad you are here. Today we are talking about something close to many hearts. How to learn English alone, at home, with nothing fancy. No classroom. No language partner sitting next to you. Maybe you have watched other people online. They speak English so smoothly. Words just flow out of their mouth. And maybe, somewhere deep inside, you felt a small ache. You thought, why is it so easy for them and so hard for me? Here is something you need to hear. Those people are not special. They are not born with a magic gift. They simply found a way to practice even when no one was watching. And the truth is, your home, your own room, your own four walls can become the best classroom you ever had. Today, I will give you 5 steps. Steps you can use this evening, in your own house, with things you already own. Watch until the end, because step 5 ties everything together. Without it, the other 4 steps slowly fade away. Let's start. Step 1. Turn your room into an English zone. Step 1 is about your space. Look around your room right now. What language is around you? Is it only your mother tongue? Or is there some English too? Here is a simple trick. Put small sticky notes on things in your house. Write the English word on each one. Door, window, mirror, table. Every time you walk past, your eyes catch the word. Slowly, your brain starts to connect the object with the English name without even trying hard. Change your phone language to English. Change your alarm clock label to English. Pick one corner of your room and call it your English corner. A chair, a desk, even a spot on your bed. When you sit there, your brain understands. Now is English time. You do not need a big room. You do not need new furniture. You just need small English signals placed around your daily life. Turn your space into your teacher. That is step 1. Step 2. Practice in front of the mirror. Step 2 might feel a little strange at first, but trust me on this one. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at your own face and speak English. Pick a simple topic. My favorite food. My family. My plans for the weekend. Look into your own eyes and explain it out loud like you are talking to a real person. Why does this work so well? Because when you see your own mouth move, you notice your pronunciation more clearly. You see if your lips are doing the right shape. You see your expression. It feels closer to a real conversation than just talking into empty air. At first you may feel shy, even alone in your room. That feeling is normal. Push through it gently. After a few days it becomes natural, almost comfortable. 5 minutes a day in front of your mirror can build more speaking confidence than you expect. Face yourself first, then face the world. That is step 2. Step 3. Record your voice and listen back. Step 3 uses a tool you already carry everywhere, your phone. Open the voice recorder. Pick a small topic. Talk for 1 or 2 minutes in English. Do not stop to fix every mistake. Just keep talking like a small story. Then play it back. This part feels uncomfortable for almost everyone. Hearing your own voice can feel strange, but this is exactly where real growth happens. You will notice words you mispronounce. You will notice where you paused too much. You will notice grammar mistakes you didn't even know you were making. Write these mistakes down in a small note on your phone. Next time you record, try to fix just 1 or 2 of them. Not all at once, just 1 or 2. Over weeks, your recordings will sound different, clearer, smoother, more like you. Record, listen, improve. That is step 3. Step 4. Shadow native speakers from videos. Step 4 is called shadowing. It sounds technical, but it is actually very simple. Find a short video. 1 minute is enough. A vlog, a movie clip, a simple talk. Choose someone speaking clearly. Play one sentence. Pause. Repeat exactly what they said. Try to copy their speed. Copy their rhythm. Copy the rise and fall in their voice. Then play the next sentence. Pause. Repeat again. At home, you can do this without any embarrassment. No one is watching. No one is judging. It is just you, your screen, and your voice, slowly matching the sound of fluent English. Do this for 10 minutes a day with the same short video again and again. After some days, you will notice something wonderful. Your mouth moves faster. Your sentences flow better. Your accent softens just a little, in a good way. Copy first. Create your own style later. That is step 4. Step 5. Build a tiny daily routine. You never skip. And now, step 5. The one that holds everything together. Many people try all 4 steps above for a few days, full of excitement. Then life gets busy. Work, family, tiredness, and slowly the practice disappears. Here is the fix. Make your English practice so small you can never say no to it. Not 1 hour a day, just 10 minutes, maybe even 5 on your busiest day. Choose a fixed time, right after breakfast or right before sleep. Same time, same small habit, every single day. Keep a tiny calendar, even just paper on your wall. Mark an X for every day you practiced. Do not aim for perfect, aim for consistent. Some days you will only do the mirror practice. Some days only the recording. That is fine. The goal is not doing everything every day. The goal is never letting the habit die completely. Small habit, done daily. That beats a big plan. You quit after 1 week. Tiny steps, repeated often. That is step 5. So let's come back to where we began. Maybe you do not have a teacher. Maybe you do not have money for classes. Maybe you do not even have someone at home who speaks English. But you have a room. You have a mirror. You have a phone. You have a voice. And that is more than enough to start. Turn your room into an English zone. Practice in front of the mirror. Record your voice and listen back. Shadow real speakers from videos. And build a tiny routine you never skip. 5 steps, all of them possible inside your own home today. You do not need a perfect setup. You just need to begin right where you are standing now. If this video gave you even one new idea, please subscribe to Spark and Speak. Every week we share simple lessons like this one to help you grow your English and your confidence right from home. You took the time to watch till here. That already shows your effort. Now go to your mirror and start speaking. See you in the next video.